Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a BMW guys 5 Series, I'm talking E61, E60 generation BMW E60 is the sedan, E61 is the station wagon, and you guys have a 6-cylinder engine and you're trying to find guys 6-cylinder gasoline engine where your crankcase breather ventilation valve is located guys, also known as oil separator. Stay with us and we'll cover that today guys. This is the N52 engine, very popular engine guys here, so we will explain on that. Yeah, it should cover multiple models guys, but some I can think of right now: 523, 525, 528, 530 guys. So if you have problem with your PCV valve, also known, or crankcase breather valve, we will explain guys where it's located, how to get to it and how to replace it. Quick introduction to the channel: every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos, and specifically guys on BMWs, every BMW we get, we make more than guys 400 to 500 free repair videos. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys, so we can keep providing this free information to you. If you need to buy a new valve, replacement parts or anything like that for your BMW 5 Series, check out the link in the description of the video below. Things to start with guys. Okay, first you need to disconnect your car battery the correct way guys. Okay, very important how you disconnect your car battery. We will share the link in the description of the video below. Check it out, how to disconnect car battery the proper way guys, which battery terminal you need to disconnect first, because if you don't do it the correct way, what will happen? Okay, you can burn engine, computers, modules, fuses guys, things that take quite a bit of money and time and energy to fix. We will need to disconnect the car battery because we will have to remove the intake manifold guys, and under that intake manifold you have the engine starter there, which has 2 positive wires, one coming from the alternator, one coming from the car battery. So you gotta make sure that you disconnect it guys. So now if you want to see guys how to remove the intake manifold, we will have the video on the channel and I'll try to share the link in the description of the video below. We'll need to remove that whole intake manifold, and when it comes out guys, okay, I'll show you what we need to do here and where that valve is located guys. So the valve, okay, that PCV crankcase breather valve, it's located right here. This is guys the valve itself, and looking at it now guys, okay, this is the lower hose, okay, right there. Okay, this is lower hose guys that goes to the oil pan. This is the lower hose. This is the upper hose that goes to the valve cover on the back side. This is the valve itself. 2 more vacuum hoses here in the intake manifold, okay, and a few heating wires guys, okay, and you're ready to pull it out. You just have 3 screws that you need to remove, 1, 2, and there is one on the other side, 3 screws, and that whole thing will slide out. You just need to disconnect your hoses by pressing in, okay, on these parts, and it will come loose guys. Now, not very complicated, but it just takes a little bit of time to get to that part. Again, if you want to see the intake manifold replacement video or removal video, we will have it on the channel. It's recommended to get new gaskets every time you remove the intake manifold guys. So hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you having a 5 Series BMW and trying to find that valve. If you guys need help with anything, let us know. We'll be more than glad to help you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and see you guys next time.